In this video, we are going over the ultimate beginner's guide for Sailor Piece on Roblox so that you can get started and progress fast. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. When you first load in the game, you need to join the official group and claim the free rewards. This is going to give you a very solid boost and some extra money and gems to start off strong. From there, just buy a basic sword like the katana. From the starter island, the katana dealer is going to sell it. And then from here, teleport immediately over to Academy Island. From here, just talk to the NPC, accept a quest, collect 2 demon orbs. One's located in a tree, the other is located inside the castle. This quest is super extremely important, especially early on, so don't skip it. From here, return back to Starter Island and just begin by leveling up and completing quests, defeating enemies in there. Early game, you really need to focus on upgrading your sword stats since it's going to give you the fastest damage increase. As you do increase, you're going to get things like rerolls for a clan, race, and trades. Try to use these to boost your damage, but once you've built up enough money and gems, head over to the Snow Island and get a stronger weapon like the Dark Blade. This is a huge upgrade and will make everything a lot easier. Keep grinding though until you're around level 4000 and then go behind the Snow Island to Silver Rail, unlock the Hockey, and this is going to give you a big damage boost and allow you to farm a lot more efficiently. As you continue though, start progressing artifacts and equip ones that boost damage. And then around level 5000 or even just a little bit before level 5000, you can go ahead and make your way to Shibuya Station and pick a stronger fighting style. This will help you push through mid-game a lot easier, but at this point, you need to keep grinding normally or use a more efficient farming method like auto skills with strong abilities to farm continuously. Once you reach the higher level, start running dungeons. These are super important because they give you strong rewards that help scale your damage. And you'll also unlock a skill tree later on. You can use points through kills, so focus on upgrading damage-related stats first. Another key thing in farming accessories is going to be bosses. These are going to give you some pretty strong abilities overall, so you need to make sure that you use those whenever you have the chance. And as you get even deeper into the game, use systems like Ascension, Rerolls, and Boss Rush in order to keep increasing stats like damage, luck, and crit damage. And you can even upgrade weapons as well, all in this location, so make sure you do that, as well as accessories too. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is the ultimate beginner guide here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.